So over the course of the last couple of videos, I've been telling you about how I've been treating fungus that I found in my lawn, and as you can see, a couple weeks later, we're just about back to normal. So the fungicide application worked extremely well, and I've been fertilizing it. I put down an application of fertilizer about a week or so ago, and we're looking just fantastic. It's been a really nice recovery. I couldn't be happier with how it's going. But today I want to talk about the putting green. It is not recovering as quickly as the rest of the backyard, so I want to address that and show you the different approach that I'm going to take there. Here we go. So when this whole fungus thing started here, I first noticed something was up with the putting green. It started on the putting green. Now the putting green, for those of you who don't know, haven't been following along, it's V8 bent grass. It's a monostand, so it's all the same variety of grass. So if it gets infected with anything, the whole thing's gonna get it, as opposed to a mix of grasses where some varieties would be able to handle it, others not so much, but it wouldn't do as much damage. That's the intent of having a mix of grass rather than a monostand. So learning the ways of the monostand, but considering mixing it up a little bit. Stay tuned for that. But today, I want to talk about how I'm going to fix this. So I mentioned that I did a fungicide application. This has gotten a couple of fungicide applications, but my thought process is that this happened so early that it just was too late when I started trying to cure it. It was too late in the process. It was too far gone, and some of this is just not coming back the way the rest of the yard did. Not at all. I am noticing that as I mow it, and yes, I'm still mowing it, and it's kind of a painful process to mow the putting green in this condition, but here we are. But as I've mowed it often, I've noticed that it's trying to spread and fill in. Bent grass is trying to do its thing. But when you get close down to the surface here, it's just really starting to crack. The surface is starting to crack. It's kind of blocking the good grass from having anywhere to grow. And so I want to fix that today. So here we go. This is the plan. I've got the Ryobi Scarifying here, and I'm just going to tear this up, and I'm going to get out as much of this stuff, dead material, unwanted material, material that's in the way, clear it out and see how that goes, and see how the grass responds and starts filling in, if any better. So this is an experiment. My whole life is an experiment, especially with the grass, but we'll try this, we'll see how it goes. There you are. Okay, so that is all done, cleaned up, blown off, and I think I'm gonna mow it. I'm just gonna finish it off, finishing touch, put some semi-visible stripes in there, see how it looks to just close this out. I think this is gonna help. Time will tell. We'll give it a month or so before the temperatures cool down. It's been like 95 degrees lately, and I'm still doing this because, like I said, experiment. We'll just see what happens. But I just want to kind of see if this helps the bent grass spread a little bit better. I think it will. I'm going to put down some fertilizer too. I use the Ultra Greens grade of the 1704 from ProPete. Stuff is dust, and it gets down into the sand base here, into the root zone very easily, and we'll give this a good soaking of water as well. So we'll end it off with the mow. If you have any questions, comments, let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. See how things progress here. Things have obviously progressed very well in the rest of the yard. We're doing great. So I want to get this back up to snuff here. So that's going to go ahead and do it for this one. Thank you as always for watching. I appreciate it so much, and I'll see you next time.